Good morning, class 8. Welcome all of you in this special class of mathematics. Today we have algebraic expression and special product. I have already explained one day, I suppose, that there are many identities which will be used in solving the question. But these three are important for this standard. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, and third is a plus b into a minus b. This can be verified. You can also derive this formula. It is not important to learn all the formula by heart. You should learn how can you obtain this formula. That is the more important than to remember. So a plus b whole square. I have already explained what is the meaning of a square. If you multiply a term or any number by itself, that is called a square. A plus b whole square. If you multiply a plus b into a plus b, and if you find the product, you will get this formula: a square plus 2ab plus b square. I have already explained. But now you see some typical question on these identities. And this is a division algorithm. Algorithm is a step-by-step process which is used to solve another problem. That is the meaning of algorithm. Division algorithm you might have learned in class 5 or 6. How will you divide a number by another number, and how can you check dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder? That is called dividend. Yeah, that is called division algorithm. That can be also verified in algebra also. Any term if you divide by another term, binomial, maybe trinomial, maybe quadrinomial, etc. And if you complete the division process, you can also verify the division, whether you are right or wrong, by this division algorithm. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now you see question 1. You find the product x plus 2, x minus 2. Although there are two methods I have already explained. One method is a horizontal method and the other method is column method. So you can find by any method. But if the terms, if the algebraic expressions are given in the algebraic form, now you might have to compare this question with this formula. A plus b, a minus b. Here a is x and b is 2. So if you compare these two, these are exactly in this form, a plus b, a minus b. And using this formula, a square minus b square, you can write x square minus 2 square. And this will be x square minus 4. This is the product of this given question. Now you can answer, क्या उससे हम मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं हॉरिजॉन्टल मेथड से? यस. क्या इसको कॉलम मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं? यस. और दिस इज ए फॉर्मूला मेथड, लेकिन इसमें ध्यान देना है कि यदि इफ द क्वेश्चंस गिवन इन दिस फॉर्म, देन यू हैव टू यूज दिस फॉर्मूला. Otherwise you have to find the product either by horizontal method or by column method. So if you multiply by column method like this, x plus 2, x minus 2, 2 into 2, 4. I have already explained what is the rule of sign. Minus plus minus, opposite sign minus, minus 2 into x, minus 2x. And this will be plus 2x. And this will be x into x square. Here we are using the law of exponents. So this is minus 4, plus minus cancel, this will be x square. Now you can compare the result itself. So this is column method, this is by algebraic method. So if the questions are in this form, then you can find the product by using this identity. Otherwise, you can find the product by horizontal method or by column method. Now you see, find the value of 18 into 22. What is that? This is a multiplication of class 3 or 4. No. but here it is given using the identity. This means you have to rewrite this question in the form of any algebraic form or method. So 18 into 20, so that can be written like this: 20 minus 2, and this can be written 20 plus 2. अब यहाँ क्वेश्चन है कि 20 कहाँ से आ गया? You should think about the question कि 18 और 22 है, तो 18 को ऐसा करते हैं 20 में से 2 माइनस कर देते हैं और 22 उसमें 2 प्लस कर देते हैं. अब now you compare this form of this question: a plus b, a minus b. Here a is 20, b is 2. So a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So a square here will be 20 square. Minus b square means 2 square. 20 square multiply 20 by 20. Well, I have already told you, don't multiply by 2. Square of 20 is 400, not 40. So 20 to 20, 400, so minus 2 into 2, 4. And now you subtract, and you will get 396. बोले सर, यदि यहाँ कोई नंबर को हम चेंज कर लें 22 के जगह में 23 या 24, can you solve? No, you cannot solve because that cannot be obtained in any algebraic identity. So that can be solved only by direct multiplication. But this is the question and you have to solve. Now you see simplify. 179 into 179 minus 21 into minus 21. आइडिया आप सोच सकते हैं कि सर इसको दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं, इसको भी कर लेते हैं मल्टीप्लाई और दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेते हैं. दैट आंसर यू कैन गेट, बट एज आई टोल्ड यू, यू हैव टू यूज द आइडेंटिटी. इस आइडेंटिटी अलजेब्रिक आइडेंटिटी के रूप में उसको कन्वर्ट करना है एंड देन यू हैव टू फाइंड द आंसर. Also you will get the answer, that will be accurate, that will be if you are doing rightly. So 179 into 179, what is the definition of a square? If a number is multiplied by itself, that is called a square. If you multiply a number or term by itself 3 times, that is called cube, like that. So 179 into 179, 179 is square, 21 into 21, 21 is square. Now you see, you compare this 179 square minus 21 square, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. You can solve by this using this identity. So this will be 179 plus 21 and this will be 179 minus 21. 179 plus 21, you can find the sum, very simple, 200. And this will be, this minus is 9 minus 1, 8, 7 minus 2, 5, and this is 1. And now you can multiply, you will get the answer. 2020 and 2 is the 16, 31, 15 to the 30 and 31. This is the answer. Alright sir, if you multiply 179 into 179, simple multiplication, and you multiply 21 by 21 and you subtract, you will get the same result. But you will not get the mark because you have not used the algebraic identity. So my dear student, many questions are given in this exercise. So there are some typical questions, and if you learn the methods, so you can solve the given questions. So this is algebraic expression, a special product. These are the 3 algebraic identity. You will verify, you can derive this formula. You can also find the derivation, but you should also remember these identities. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.